Hello everyone, my name is Noura. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a new product that I'm really excited to try out. It's Dyson Airstrait and it's a new product on the market. I wanted to try it out because I have a curly hair. I just showered, so it's wet. So we'll see if this will take my hair from curly and wet to straight. Hop on and let's try it out. Here it is, how it looks out of the box. I couldn't get the blue one, so I'm left out with the gray. I don't mind that. I like the combination of the gray and brass, honestly. Let's see what it has. Then I think it has a mat to put on the hair tool in between. And then what else? Instruction that we do not read usually. Sorry about the sound. I would assume that they have some cleaning products because you see these filters. I think they need cleaning, so I'll see if they have that attached somewhere. Because in my previous one, I didn't realize that it came with one till 4 years after, just a few months ago. For now, so it's very simple. It's not packed a ton. If I'm honest with you, like usually we expect more with these tools, but this is a very simple product. So let's plug it in and see. So I played with the button, with the setting. It's very nice as it takes you, I don't know if it's more focused. It takes you, there is LED screen, and then there is the hot air and the fan, and then the choice button, and if your hair is wet or dry, and the on off button. And if you're not using it, it'll stop automatically, and this is a great thing. I'll start with my hair in the front to see if it will work out, because I don't know, I've never tried it, and I want to see if it will work out on my hair before going and working on the rest of the hair. So let's see. I like that it doesn't leave any clamping effect because it doesn't have any hot plates. I wouldn't say that it's 100% perfect, and it doesn't claim that it's gonna be perfect, if I'm honest with you. Like, it's not as smoothing as when you do it with the brush, but it's very quick. That's impressive. It's very quick. I heard that you cannot really make it, even if you try to roll your hair or make it go in curls, it doesn't do that. But I'll curl it and see if my hair itself would hold any curls. It gets very hot, hence the glow. Sorry, I forgot to start the stopwatch. So now I'm starting my other half of head. So we'll see, and we'll multiply it by 2 at the end. So it's 0, starting the stopwatch. We'll see how usually takes. Sorry guys, the camera died at 4:22, and then we'll continue. I'm done at 23:25, so almost 24 minutes. So that means that if I'm doing my whole hair, it will take me 45 minutes, which is very similar to when I do it with my air wrap. I'll just open all the curls and then I'll join you in a minute. So this is the end result. As you see, I curled half of this head. The curls are not very prominent and they fell right away, which is expected. They did not promise that. And this side, of course, they didn't hold the curls at all because I did it faster since I got used to the tool even easier. I have to say this is a very nice base kind of a blow dry, similar to a blow dry. I am not mad at all at this result. Like when I bought this tool, I was very skeptical. My husband convinced me to buy it because I was like, no, I'm not sure. I tried other tools and they didn't work out for me, but this one, I'm really, really happy with the results. I would recommend it. For the people that I know that this would suit their hairs, which is like my hair or even less curly. I'm not sure about the people with tighter curls, if they would like it or not. It was very easy to use. It was very intuitive. Like it didn't take me a long time to get used to the buttons. It didn't take me a long time to get used to how to use the tool. As I said, they recommend that you first stretch the roots and go over them before using the clamping. It wasn't annoying. It was something that I would reach every time I wash my hair to use it. It's good as a baseline, a blow dry, as I said. It's not something that would make your hair 100% ready for an event, but this is good enough to start curling your hair after, and that's it. I think it took me longer this time. As I said, I don't know if you saw in the intermission, it was like 23 minutes or 24 minutes. So for half of my hair. And it took me longer because I had to go to the other sink and wet my hair strand by strand. If I used a hair spray, just a water spray for my hair, that would be easier probably. All in all, I would give it 8 out of 10. This is high rating, I would say. Happy with the tool. I would recommend it. Go buy it from a source that you can return it. Try it out for yourself and let me know. So this is the end of this video. Thank you very much for hanging out with me and have a nice rest of the week. Bye.